Hi, my name is Psychic Sarah, and if you'd like to get a spiritual reading, you can contact me at 773-540-5037. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sandra McCullum, and I am a member of the Auxiliary Board of Directors of the Haitian American Museum of Chicago. And we are doing some outstanding things. In fact, we're getting ready to move into our new office spaces. And if you want to learn more about us, look at our website, Hammock, Haitian American Museum of Chicago.
My name is Elsie Hector Hernandez from the Haitian American Museum of Chicago, known as Hammock. I am the founder and also the president of the board. The museum was founded in November 18, 2012. We will be celebrating 10 years in November this year. Also, with that celebration, we will also be moving in a new space, 5 times the size where we are. Currently, we are in a storefront located at 4654 North Racine in a 486 square feet storefront. So now we're going to a 2,500 square feet. So really a great improvement for us. So our grand opening will be in August 27 over at 4410 North Clark from 2 to 7. Thank you so much. Thank you for being in the Caribbean Festival. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mercedes Carnathon, the principal investigator of the study Disparities in Sleep and Cognitive Outcomes. So I'm one of a team of investigators at Northwestern University who's really excited about hearing about how you sleep and studying how you sleep influences your brain function. So tell me, Mr. Golden Heart.
Well,
how long did you sleep last night?
It's not how long, it's how sound you sleep.
You slept soundly, I'm so glad.
And that's very important to me.
It is.
Because in our world today, so much information overload.
Yeah.
And the brain I just can't take no more.
I got it, so you got to rest.
So the 4 or the 5 hours minimum that I do daily, I'm okay because it's sound.
You know, that's a really important factor that we're trying to study because people have a variety of sleep needs. For some people, 5 to 6 hours, if it's solid and interrupted, can really help protect and promote their brain health. So tell me, how have you felt as far as making decisions on nights when you got less than the amount of sleep you needed? Did you feel sharp?
Well, now I can be told.
All right. So,
I'm always sharp.
You're always sharp. So, Mr. Golden Heart, we're going to continue this, but I'm so excited to tell people about our study, Disparities in Sleep and Cognitive Outcomes, and it can be found at tinyurl.disco.com at Northwestern University, and my name is Mercedes Carnathon. So, let's keep talking, Mr. Golden Heart.
Let's not stop.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Shannon King, and I am a registered nurse, a cannabis nurse, and I'm also the owner of a micro dispensary right here in Chicago. Right here in Chicago, it's called Wakana. At Wakana, we sell CBD products, and let me tell you a little bit about CBD. CBD gives you the health without the high. When people refer to marijuana as cannabis, they're right, but CBD derived from hemp is also cannabis, but you're getting all of the medicinal benefits as opposed to the high. It's good for inflammation, anxiety, depression, hypertension, diabetes, and a number of ailments. So our website is cannaentice.wakana.com. That's CANNAENTICE.wakana.com. Come check us out.
Hello, my name is Nancy Autry. I'm with United African Organization. We are a coalition of African community-based organizations here in Illinois. And as you can see, we serve the diverse Black immigrant community here in Illinois. If you need our services, visit us at uniteafricans.org or call us 312-949-9980. Thank you.
Hi everybody. Good afternoon. My name is Natrina Kennedy, and I'm the founder and CEO of the Women's Health Initiative, commonly known as WHI. We are dedicated to decreasing health disparities by tackling racial, social, and economic barriers to health. You can find us on www.wearewhi.org or on any social media platform, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn at We Are WHI. That is spelled WEAREWHI. Thanks. Have a nice day.
Hello, Caribbean TV. We're representing from the different states: Virginia, Philly, New York, Texas. We're here celebrating my 50th birthday. Woo!
We're live at the 29th African Caribbean Festival of Life, where we just checked out Livingston and his band. Throw down on the stage, man. Tell us more.
Yo, we had a good time. It's good to be back around people. People coming up. Look at all these people enjoying the festival. Beautiful weather, you know, so I Official Reggae Movement, we're honored to be here and support this festival.
I witnessed a very, very good performance, man. So you say you got some materials out there. Tell them about it.
Yeah, man, we're on social media, I Official Reggae. Check us on Facebook, Instagram. We play locally, so we're going to be at the Wild here. Check us out. We play at Pier 31 every Saturday. So check us out.
Okay, great, man. Anything else you want to tell the people?
Yo,
what's coming up?
Reggae music project. Reggae music is here to stay, man. We just see people to come out and support the vibes, you know.
Yeah, man.
So we have some good band in Chicago, bringing the Jamaican vibes, and a real thing. It
needs to go to another level, like mainstream, big time.
Yeah, I agree.
And when you think that's going to happen?
So the media can help that, okay?
All right. Yes,
so
man.
we have to talk to Martin and people like that and make it more mainstream. I agree with that.
Respect, man.
Yeah, man, respect.
Respect every time, yeah? Livingston.
What's up, what's up? Out in the streets they call it. Out in the streets they call it. Welcome to Jamaica. Come when the dogs them come back to Poland. What's going on, Chicago? Yeah, man, wake up, people, wake up. Yeah, man, big up yourself, our Caribbean people. That man, Jamaican, Trinidadian, Mexican. We there. Out in the streets, they call it. Out in the streets, they call it. Welcome to Jam Rock, Camp for the Coast and Camp at 2 pound of weed in a pan back. It's in your hand back, then I'll suck it in your backpack. This when I give you girlfriend contact and wine and know this. Them only come around like tourists and they with a good stories. They can't stories, and one like them in Chuck Norris. I don't know the real hardcore, cause I'm that on a back to. The thugs them we do what them got to. I won't think twice, we shot you. Don't make them spot you, unless you carry guns and not to appear tonight. Welcome to Jam Rock. Welcome to Jam Rock. Out in the streets they call it Jamaica, Jamaica. Jamaica, Jamaica. Jamaica, Jamaica.
All right, what's up, Chicago? My name is Lizzie G. I'm a positive hip-hop artist and a real estate agent. I just killed it at the 29th International Festival of Life here on the south side of Chicago. This is like my 5th year performing, and it's definitely been a blast to be able to provide positive music, bring people together, share love, and share what's going on with Haiti. I'm a descent of Haiti, and it's definitely important for us to continue to give back, for us to shed light on the things that's going on and see how we can put hands together to help the country out. On a day-to-day basis, I'm usually in the schools providing positive entertainment such as concerts, workshops, after-school programs, motivational speaking, etc. And I'm on a mission to make our schools a fun and bully-free place to be. So we provide a lot of social emotional learning programs to our youth, and we want to make this happen city to city, country to country. I'm also a real estate agent, so if any of you all are in the market to buy, sell, rent, invest, or flip, holla at me. I would love to help you out. Once again, shout out to my people at Caribbean TV. They are doing amazing, amazing work. If y'all want to keep in touch with me, y'all can keep in touch with me at LizzieGmusic.com. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. You could download all of my music. You could watch my music videos. And I can't wait for us to partner together so we can bring more love and unity to Chicago. Let's get it.
You gotta be ready. You gotta be ready. Let's go. You gotta be ready.